What's up, Bean Boys?
Wow, it is yucky outside today. It is so cold outside and it is so gray. Oh man, all I want to do, it's Saturday right now, and all I want to do is just lay on the couch and do nothing. I'm so exhausted. Anyway, I got a couple of things to say right here at the start of the video. First thing, thank you for all the positive feedback on yesterday's video, the skit video with Gingium. That one was really fun to make, and I'm glad that you guys thought it was funny. Secondly, I know I've seen the feedback saying that you guys really like the intro, the new like Boosted John's Vlogmas intro, and I gotta thank a subscriber for that actually. One of my subscribers named Zach, here's his Instagram right here, and I personally really like it as well, so thank you, Zach. And the last little update thing that I gotta give here at the beginning of the video is that I have started working with PFM, which is a performance shop here in Illinois. If you guys need anything done to your car, please hit me up on Instagram, or if you guys want car parts, hit me up on Instagram and I will help you guys figure that out. Cool, so that's all I got for the little intro here. Let's talk about the S2000. Oh yeah. You guys know that feeling where you're just so tired for no reason. I even had coffee today and I'm still tired, which sucks because I hate feeling like a bum, and right now I feel like a bum. So here we are in the S2000. Today is my good friend Rob's birthday, so we're heading over to his house to go have a beer with him, hang out. I already have plans later tonight, unfortunately, so I can't be there like for his birthday party, but I still wanted to just go over and say hi and hang out with him. So why in the world would I say that I hate my Honda S2000? And here's the thing, a lot of these videos are like 5 things I hate about my S2000. It's like total clickbait. Well, this one's kind of serious. Like, I'm legitimately starting to dislike this car for multiple reasons, and most of it isn't really the car's fault. I guess some of it is. Some of it's my fault, some of it's other people's fault. But basically, ever since I got this car, things have just been getting worse and worse. I can explain. I get this car, I'm super excited about it, I'm driving it home with brand new tires on it, tires go flat. Boom, problem number 1. Not the car's fault, but still a bad experience I've had with this car. Number 2, I go to replace a soft top. It is an absolute nightmare to replace a soft top. Another bad experience I've had with the car. Again, my fault for choosing to do that. However, bad experience with the car. Then shortly after doing the soft top and the coilovers, I get a really bad squeak coming from suspension, or maybe something with soft top in the rear passenger side. I don't fully know. I haven't taken the time to investigate it because now it's cold outside and I don't really want to be outside playing around with cold metal pieces of this car. Again, that one's my fault probably, but again, just another bad experience I'm having with this car. And the last 2 things, one, it's just a very small car. It's very tight for someone who's like 6'3", 6'2", 6'3". Again, totally my fault, just a bad experience I'm having with the car. And lastly, my brakes have been an issue. My rear brakes had issues where they were locking up, so I had to do a rear brake job, both sides, and replace the passenger rear caliper. You guys probably saw that in another video. And then my front caliper failed, so I had to replace the caliper and the brakes up front as well. This has been expensive and very frustrating. So again, another bad experience that I've had with this car. And it really sucks because I love the S2000. I've always loved the S2000. I've wanted one of these for so long, and now that I finally have one, it's just starting to let me down. And this is just, I feel like this is one of those moments where people say like never meet your heroes because they're gonna disappoint you, and it almost feels like this car is giving me that experience. Like, I now have a car that I've wanted for a while and it just isn't quite living up to the expectations that I had for it in my head, which again is probably my fault for having such high expectations, but nonetheless a bad experience I'm having with the car. All these experiences are just kind of starting to add up and they're starting to take a toll on me. I love this car, but it just, I drive it and I don't feel confident in it. And that sucks. That is one of the worst feelings that you can have in a car, is not being confident in it. Now, ever since I fixed the brakes, which was yesterday, I'll show you guys a couple clips of that, but I was working on the brakes yesterday, very mad, very frustrated. This car put me in a bad position again by doing this. And now I love driving the car. I've kind of rekindled the flame for this car now that it's running and driving nicely and smoothly. And now it's fun again, and I really like it. But the squeaking in the back, and my alignment's kind of whack, even though I already had an alignment done. I'm just so borderline with this car and I can't figure out where I fall exactly. Anyway, let's talk about this a little bit more later in the video. We're about to be at Rob's house and I want to say hi to him.
What up? How's it going?
Happy birthday, dude.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Throw behind the advantage.
Coco don't like Hondas.
Coco doesn't like Hondas or Honda owners. Honda owners beware.
Holy smokes, guys. Watch out for Coco. Got the Bruce. All right, Rob, what is this thing?
So this is actually a bike I got for a steal from a buddy of mine. This is a 2013 Honda CRF 250L. I don't remember the exact specs on like what's been upgraded on it. All I know is this thing was an absolute steal. I got it for $3,200 and it only has about 4,000 miles on it.
All right, fire her up, bud. Let her rip.
All right. That's the one.
Embarrassing, dude.
I know.
Embarrassing. Oh no.
Bummer. Can you hear
Oh
me?
yeah, baby. Oh, are these open back? Dude, these are totally open back. These have gotta be open back. All right, what do we got? Oh, dude. Oh yeah. Okay, Rob, you kind of know what's up. Oh. No. Bye.
Look at all these cool cars.
Dude, it's a car meet, dude. We got Subaru.
We got, dude, is that a Subaru?
Bye, TJ.
Bye, Calvin. Hello.
Hey, man.
Hello. Coney.
Oh no, quiet.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Curry! I love the Almond's house at Christmas. The game.
I did bring the game.
Caleb said he's ready for these vlogs, or this tonight.
Yeah.
Cheers.
What? Kearney's cocktail. Here we go. I feel like you could put way more tequila in that.
She finished the whole bottle.
Dude, that could be a YouTube channel. Kearney's Cocktails.
Yeah, Kearney's cocktails.
I told my parents that all I really want to do is start being like, learning how to make drinks.
What do you call your followers? Bean boys?
Babies, e-boys.
Little bean boys.
Oh no. What just happened? No, that was never supposed to exist ever. Oh my god.
Bean boys. You guys have to have like Boost Boys.
Yeah.
What are they doing to you guys? I'm sorry. Oh.
Wait, Kearney, let's like make a
We're
good
like.
vlog. My wine.
What's up, Bean Boys?
Cheers.
Wait, guys, can I tell the Bean Boys something? Hi, Mom.
Asmere?
What did you just call it?
Cashmere?
No. What did you just say?
Asmere. No, you did not.
No, you did not.
So how's life?
So, this is Garvey. His real name's Andrew, but we call him Garvey.
Yep.
And what's our pact, Garvey?
Oh god. We don't need to share that.
Can you guys tell them?
We need like a workout vlog going.
Dude, we should do it. I got
Okay.
yelled at for filming in the gym the other day.
Alright, so, hey, Mr. Beans.
Oh boy. If you guys start calling me Mr. Beans, it is over. It
Grace?
is over.
And my dad goes, this morning, he goes, yeah, I put him there. He goes, he's not an alcoholic. I'm like, he probably is. Okay. Look how cute.
Oh, he's so cutie.
He's taking a bath.
Oh, cutie jolly.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
wait.
My friend James calls me Mr. Bean. I started to think to myself, how did that Mr. Bean become Mr. Bean?
Yeah, how did he? You know?
I don't know, but I started being called Mr. Bean, and now I'm starting to freak out. Because if I end up like that guy, it's all over.
Hey, Kearney.
Gone every like other month.
Oh, that's John's. Oh, wait, no.
No, that's ours. Hey, Luciano, look at me. I'm lifting.
She's really using her muscles.
Either way, boys. Anyway, like I was saying earlier, I'm just having a hard time with the S2000 right now, and it's a fantastic car, but it's just been making me pretty upset lately, and I think I'm gonna end up loving it. I'm gonna obviously give it a little bit more time to see how I feel, but that's where I'm at in today's video. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye.